How to find relationship settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and after that click these 3 points and then click edit profile, and now click profile and scroll until you find the relationship. Here is it, click on it, and that's it. Here you can manage your relationship. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.